go.
This is my 67 Chevrolet truck, 283, small block Chevrolet. Headers, bore 30 over, just to name a few things. Notice my friends don't let friends drive Ford's license plate in the window. Yes. I'm about to show you the before and after sounds of mufflers and uncapped headers. Hold on a minute and I will show you the mufflers. That's with mufflers. Now just wait about 10 minutes. Well, it won't be that long. Let's see what it sounds like now. .283 small block, bore 30 over, power pack heads, got a 2-barrel carburetor for gas, headers, some kind of cam, I don't know. That's about it. 3-speed manual.